Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a form in monday.com. So, in order to do this, first of all, log into monday.com using your user credentials and you will be on homepage of monday.com. Now, you'll have to simply navigate to any workspace and click on the plus icon just after that workspace. Now you will see a list of menu. Under this list, click on the form option, or you can click on the arrow icon after form and click on start with template. Now you'll be able to select a templative form, that is creative request form, customer satisfaction form. You can also start from scratch. You can select bug report, invoice, and you have a lot of form templates available. You can simply select any one of those forms and click on use template. After that, you'll be able to use that form template on your monday.com. Now in order to create it from scratch, click on the plus icon, select form, and this is going to create a new form in monday.com. As you can see, this says new form. Now it says untitled question and new form. Simply click on edit form button at the top left and you will see this page. On this page, you can select this title and name this form anything you want. You can add a description of this form by placing your cursor here and typing in the description for this. You can click on upload logo and choose a logo for your form. Now this is untitled question. Click on this and ask the first question. Click on this button, that is, this question is mapped to a status column in the board. Select this and click on add an option. Now you'll be able to add a lot of options for your question. So you can add as much options as you would like and click anywhere to save it. Now click on this small plus button at the bottom and choose what kind of question another question will be. So this will be a short text. Now enter your text here, add a description, and the answer will be written in this text field here. You can click on question settings and set it as required if it's mandatory, or you can click on hide questions if you don't want it to appear in the form. You can click on plus button again, choose what kind of question it will be. So I will type in long text, select long text. Now you can type your question here and this question will be for long text answers. Now cut this out, click on the plus icon again and in this click on the date option. Now ask your question here, for example, what's your birth date, and the person filling this form will be shown a calendar to choose a date for the answers. Now if you want to delete any question, simply navigate your mouse over to that question and select delete, and that question will be deleted from your form. Now you can click on share and you will get this copy link button. So click on copy link. Now you share this link to anyone you want to fill the form and they'll be able to do it. Click on analyze and you'll be able to see all the result, that is summary, response and analytics for your form. Click on preview and you'll be able to view how your question page is looking like. So this is my form that I created using monday.com. So that's how you create form on monday.com. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, and thanks for watching.